I'm Amber of the Little Research House, where we are constantly seeking out the joy found in the little things. Our space has been feeling a little bit dull lately, likely due to the fact that we have been at home a little more than usual over the past couple of months. It's easy to get comfortable and not realize how much our physical space affects how we feel, especially when we're not hosting friends or family as much as we usually would be. I know that I personally become a little bit more aware about what is occupying the space in our home if I know that friends or family are going to be coming over. Although I would love to take a completely objective approach and do a really good deep clean of our home, I just know that I do not have the time or the energy to put into that right now. So instead, I've been focusing on cleaning micro spaces. I made a list of different cleaning projects that I can slowly chip away at that will help freshen up our home without having to invest a lot of time. So in the spirit of that, today I'm going to share with you 10 ways that you can freshen up your home without doing a big deep clean. Let's get started.
Number 1, wash your windows. Wipe down the inside, wipe down the outside, or wipe down both. It's amazing what difference can be made to the brightness of your space when your windows are clear and free from debris and dirt. Number 2, sweep off your stoop or porch. Take a few minutes to freshen up the outdoor entry space to your home. Whether you have a full covered porch or just a small little stoop, simply sweep it, wipe it, rearrange it, and shake it out. By tidying up this space, you immediately set yourself up to feel happy every time you come home. Number 3, reorganize one little space, like a closet, a drawer, or a cupboard. We don't often think about these spaces because they're usually behind closed doors, and we're so used to the mess that we don't notice how much stress they actually induce when we open them. Start small, pick one little space and chip away at it, rearranging, purging, and donating anything you don't need anymore. Which brings me to number 4, start an ongoing donation pile. This is obviously best to do somewhere out of your main living space, like in a basement or a garage. However, set up a box or two and slowly add to it as you come across items that you no longer need. Once you have a decent little pile together, make one trip to the thrift store to donate your boxes. Number 5, open your windows. This one is literally effortless. It's amazing how much better your space can feel simply by getting some airflow and allowing some fresh air to come into your home. Number 6, find a home for random items. There is always a space or two in your home that accumulates random items, a place to drop mail or keys, chargers, or just little bits and pieces. Take a moment to tidy up those spaces. Return items to their regular spot and find a home for items that don't have a regular spot. Baskets are great for corralling items. Number 7, deep clean one single room. I don't have time to do a full deep clean of my house, but I likely have 15 to 20 minutes in a day to spare for deep cleaning one single room, like a bathroom. I know that I personally don't like to start cleaning if I can't keep going, but then I just don't end up cleaning. Instead, I've been accepting the fact that one well-cleaned space is better than none. Put on a podcast or some good music and dive in. Number 8, change out some artwork. This instantly makes a space feel different. I have a ton of artwork laying around, so it's easy to just switch the visuals up now and then. Even if you don't have spare artwork to play with, you could simply just change up the arrangement of the art you have or move around objects. Shift around the styling on a shelf or move a piece of furniture somewhere new. We get so used to our physical space that one little shift can completely transform our experience of being there and make it feel new. Number 9, clean out your pantry or fridge. These two are spaces that we get so used to. We know exactly where everything is, but we can so easily settle into the clutter of these spaces because of that. Clean out old food, consolidate packages, give your shelves a wipe down, and put everything back in an organized way. Doing this allows you to see exactly what you have, so it may even inspire you to freshen up your cooking routines too. And my final tip for how to freshen up your space is fresh cut flowers, or any plants. Treat yourself to a bouquet at the grocery store, snip something from your garden, grab a potted herb, or propagate a houseplant. By bringing natural elements into your space, you instantly make it feel more inviting and fresh.
I hope that this video inspires you to find the little ways to help freshen up your space and, in turn, your peace of mind. If you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button and share with me your favorite quick cleaning tips in the comments below. And always make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. I post a new one every weekend. Remember, friends, the good things in life are often the little things, like finding easy ways to bring a little bit of freshness to your space. Bye.